raining a bit. Yeah, it's flooding, isn't it? And all the power's gone now. Yeah, I need to run to the taxi and tell Dad that we're in here, because he texts me. What? In the room. Well, getting rid of all the water. Do you want to make a dash for reception?
Well, I don't know where.
Come on, come on. It's all undercover. Let's just wet floor.
So I can slip over these.
I don't care, let's go. Oh, you got flip-flops on. It's
So I'm going up in there. Something on. No, I'm not.
This is rather amazing.
All the power everywhere.
Oh, so it has. All the power's out. Well, the thunder seems to have stopped. That's water coming off the roof. Or maybe it hasn't stopped. That's loud. And there are people still getting drunk. Look at that!
What's there?
Not really.
Why?
I need to go to reception. Oh, they put all the covers down so we don't get wet. Okay. That's just water coming off the ceiling. That's not a waterfall. Wanna go sunbathing? I dare to run out. I dare to run out. Whoa! I dare to run out. All these new people just coming in. Welcome. This is what it's going to be like for the rest of your holiday.
I've been so disappointed like the last couple of days it's just pissing down.
There's actually like a river down there. That's grass normally. Welcome to Mexico! Funny thing is, they're all wearing 3/4 length hats and small t-shirts. They've ruined my view of the rain now.
Hello everybody.
Yeah, that's all the workers come in. Yeah, you picked the perfect weather. This is funny. Come on then.